Hi friend, welcome back. Mm, Yesterday we have seen project operator. So today we will cover project operator, project away operator, keep operator, project rename, and project reorder operator. Okay. So as yesterday I have taken the patient table. So today also let me show you first how it will look. Okay. So these are the details available in this table. Now we'll take some other example where it is we'll use project away operator. Okay. So same in same table. Uh, Let me first run this project operator where you can see like I have ID, first name, marital status, and the race. So now um, if I want everything apart from certain columns, then I can use project away. Okay. So is it project away? Mhm. Let me write it from the start. So it will come project away. Okay. So now from the patient table, I don't want the address. Just for example, I'm taking the address. So let me run this. So here you can see we don't have address now. Or let me make it easy. Like first we'll see the patient. So here you can see the address after birthplace. Once I will run this query, you will see address will not be there. It will not appear there. After birth, we had address. It is not coming now. So that's how you can use away. Okay. In the same way, you can put keep also. So again, let me project keep. Okay. So here I want to keep again address. I want. So let me select again. Let me run it. You can see I can see address. Okay. And if you want to take more column also, then you can keep it like ID. I'm putting ID. Let me put ID. Okay. So yeah. And let me rerun this. So you can see I'm getting those required columns, which is so I think this project and this keep typical both looking similar to me only. Okay. And there is the next one, which is the rename. So let's check that also. Project rename. So here you can see like this is the example where a rename is coming with like print. Okay. So but print will see in but no, as of now I'm not using print. Okay, so let me again take address, and here you can see like uh, you have to give equals to, and you can put giving as different names. Okay, so address one for now I will just give that, and let me check is it working or not. So you can see like there is some issue it is telling to me. Let me put it in double bracket, then we'll see whether it will work or not. I don't think so it will work, because what it is telling, source rename expression address not in column, not in column it is telling. So new b is equals to b, new a is equals to a. Okay, so here I have to give a address one is equals to address. Now it will work. What it will do, it will change your address name to address one. So you can see here it is showing as the address one. Earlier it was address. Okay. So so this type of issue may happen. So be little bit cautious about this, because this is case sensitive language. And the last one is project reorder operator. Okay. So let's try this also because this reorder I have not tried. Let's try project reorder and here let's give address and so reorder um, reorder reorder address. I think it will come up in any place then. So you can see so you can see here when I have run this, so it reordered to on the first place. Okay. So that's how you have to use reorder. So yeah, I think I have covered everything for this video. So thank you very much, guys.